In today's video, I'm gonna print up two shirts, a black shirt and a white shirt using a white puff and an orange puff, which is the Econo puff vinyl. And if you want to see how it turned out, stick around. Your boy Flex will be right back. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie in the flesh. You know, in the flesh. Anyway, in today's video, like I said, I'm gonna print up two shirts, a black shirt and a white shirt. I'm using a white puff and an orange puff. Of course, the white puff is gonna go on the black shirt and the orange puff is gonna go on the white t-shirt. But the puff vinyl that I'm using, of course, is the EconoTransfer puff. EconoTransfer puff. Okay, EconoTransfer puff. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna use in today's video. Okay, there's only two kind of puff vinyl I use so far, which is the Econo puff. I've been using that for like over a year. I like it, my customers love it. And the next vinyl that I use is the Walker puff vinyl. I'll do a separate video on that, but I love using the Econo puff vinyl. So these are the two vinyl that I'm gonna use in today's video. Okay, these two vinyl, I got the white and I got the orange, and they're from EconoTransfer. If you want to go check out the EconoTransfer vinyl, puff vinyl, these are puff vinyl, not just regular vinyl, puff vinyl. The link is down below, so go check them out. They are on fire. I'm telling you, they really on fire. I don't mean not. Why is it? I want to get this straight. Now, when you use puff vinyl, you know, the thinner the font is, the less you're gonna see the really puffness of it. So if you're using really thin font, you know, it's gonna be puffy, but it's not gonna be as puff as if you use a thick font. When you use those thick font, it's like, you know what I'm saying? It's like sticking out, you know, it's like buff, you know. That's what the vinyl will look like. It will be buff if you use thicker font, but when you use a thinner font, of course it's gonna be thinner, so it's not gonna be that thick. So before we jump into the video, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. After the video, smash that like button for your boy, share this video, drop your boy a comment. I know I haven't been, I said it in every video, I know I haven't been answering your comment, but I will. And I also want you guys to stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, because your boy in July is gonna start going live. I'm gonna start doing project live in July, so stay tuned for that. You can ask me a question and you'll see your boy in live. And also go check out my Amazon. I got so much link down there. I got DTF if you're into DTF, which I'm gonna make more video, and sublimation videos are coming too. Okay, I have so much link down below. Go check out my Amazon link down there. I got everything that I use, mostly everything, on Amazon down there, so go check them out. Now let's roll into the video. Okay, so I finished. These puff always come out so nice. So I finished, pack it, and about to ship tomorrow to the customer. But I love Econo puff. So beautiful, man. You guys need to try it. You guys need to go over there and try it. The link is down below, so go try the Econo puff.